how to download R&B, chill and relaxing type of music for free. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to download any type of music which are just chilling or relaxing for your work during while taking your coffee, first thing what you need to do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for or just head over to this website, that is epidemicssound.com. So all of the music, sound effects, voices for both free as well as paid version. So you need to create an account over here and you can just search in for the music just like this, and they have thousands of hundreds of music with different genres. So you can just search in for your genres. So if your genre is R&B type, relaxing or soothing, you can just search in for that particular genre just like this, and you can see there are more than 500 tracks regarding that category, and you can simply add to their favorites, or you can also add it to your playlist or just download it on your device and once you like it of your choice of your music. So that is exactly how you do it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.